Time to unbox this amazing xTool S1 machine. As you can see, the machine is packed in there very nicely and it's protected by foam and even straps. Unhook the straps, remove the foam, and it's time to open up the machine. I cut off the plastic and removed all of it. Now it's time to open up the machine and see what's inside. All materials that are needed to set it up are inside. There's a material packet that includes wood and acrylic, user manual, exhaust pipe, tools needed, and the triangular prisms. The laser module is in there. I got the 20-watt one, and then the power cords. Now it's time to remove a couple brackets that are preventing the laser from moving. Just take the screwdriver that's provided and unscrew. There are 2 of them on each side. They're small, but easy to remove. That's what the bracket looks like. Then you can remove the sticker and go to the other side. This is just another way of showing how great this machine is packed to make sure that when it gets to you, it is not damaged at all. Once they are removed, you can freely move the laser module. One of the best things about this machine is that you can easily change out the laser module. I have a 20-watt, but there's also a 40-watt available, and then an infrared one. So it's super easy to do. All you do is take these cords and you plug them in. Once you have the cords in and they're fitted snugly, it's time to put the module onto the machine. This is super easy because there's a pin in the back that you're just going to meet up in a hole. You're going to put it in and press it down. The module will go up and down freely, but it won't want to go forward. So you're going to use the screws from the toolbox and screw it in. Using one hand, you're going to want to hold it up to the top where it is level and then screw it in. You know it's good when the module goes freely up and down but does not tilt forward. Now to install the laser aperture. These have little magnets on it, so it's super easy to do. You see those 2 little circles? They're going to meet up on the side of the laser and they're just going to snap right into place. Now that I have the laser installed, it's time to work on the exhaust pipe. All you have to do is unscrew the 4 screws, and then you're going to keep those screws and use them again for the exhaust pipe. Super easy. All you have to do is just unscrew and screw it in. There is a flash drive in the little toolbox that you get. There are 2 of them. You just need one, and you're just going to plug it into the USB port. At this time also is a great time to put the power cord in. Now it's time to install the air assist. This is super easy to do, and it's nothing like the M1. There's nothing that has to be unscrewed. All you have to do is take the tube, unravel it, and you're going to put it in that top hole. The bottom one is for fire resist. You put it in, make sure it's in snugly, and then put it into the next hole in the air assist. And then there's a cable that will connect the air assist to the S1. Super easy, and what's really awesome about this air assist is that it's automatic and it will turn on when you need it and turn off when you don't need it. Super easy and super amazing. Next, we're going to do the honeycomb. So this is something that's not needed, but it's an added bonus. It does help with the airflow. It comes with 4 magnetic pins to hold down your material so it doesn't move as you're cutting. It is a metal panel that has this honeycomb shape holes to help with airflow. It is recommended to have the base riser because when you do put it in, you cannot cut as thick of materials. You just place it in and then push it all the way down and then to the right. The honeycomb panel is not needed for cutting, but it is nice. Now it's time to turn on the machine. The S1 doesn't have a camera, and instead it has point positioning. So you're going to move your laser and then you're going to click Start Measuring. You're going to put it up to the top left and click the button. Then you're going to move it to the bottom right and click the button. Once you've done that, you're going to go back to the computer and it's going to show exactly what area you're going to use. So that square is the size of your board. So you can put any kind of shape on there. We're going to start with a star and then we're going to frame it just to make sure that it's in the right spot. It never hurts to do a test, especially on a new machine. Once you're ready, you can set it to cut and then you can cut it. So this is actual speed. It took about 30 seconds for it to cut out, and the air assist turned on automatically and turned off automatically. And look at that airflow. You can see this smoke going through and just going up the back. It's a pretty amazing and awesome machine. I can't wait to play with it more. I waited for the air assist to turn off to make sure that all the smoke had gone out. So I opened it up. And look at that. It did such a good job cutting it. I can't wait to try more and even thicker pieces of wood because the 20 watt can do amazing things.